my dear students. My name is Dr. K.C. Hachapar, working as an associate professor in Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So, in previous class, we discussed the general heat conduction equation in cylinders. So, in this class, we will discuss the general heat conduction equation in spheres. So, so general heat conduction equation in slabs completed. General heat conduction equation in cylinders also completed. So in this class we will see the general heat conduction equation in spheres, in spherical coordinate system. Okay. Okay. So here heat conduction takes place through with respect to dr. So next to with respect to r d theta, this surface, and with respect to r sin theta d phi. Okay. So in in three ways. So here we can see the diagram. So general heat conduction equation with respect to dr, and general heat conduction equation uh, rate of heat transfer with respect to dr, rate of heat transfer with respect to r d theta, rate of heat transfer with respect to r d theta by into d pi. So similarly, just like general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinate system, like dx, like dy, like dz. Okay. With comparing with the general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinate system, we will derive this conduction equation or general heat conduction equation in spheres. Okay. So, so listen carefully. So okay. Uh, so we know that energy balance equation for the element. So it is obtained from the first law of the thermodynamics. Okay. So here also we know that as we explained in the general heat conduction equation in spheres in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. So net heat conducted into the element. So that is the dx dy dz. Here, so in place of dx dy dz, so dr and r d theta and r sin theta into d phi. So these got with respect to these surfaces. Okay. So net heat conducted into the element. So dr d theta r sin theta d phi per unit volume, per internal heat generated, so per unit time. So we know that internal heat generated, so that is the heat flux small q into volume. So this is the volume. Okay. So equal to internal energy per unit time. So internal heat energy per unit time. So that is you know that mcp into dtt by d small t. So work done by the element, you know that work done by the element, we consider it as a zero because there is little work done by this element. So okay, we know that first of all you go for the net heat conducted into the element through r d theta. So first of all, we will see r sin theta into d phi with respect to this surface. Okay, we'll see here. So we know that this is the equation. So which was derived in the uh, net heat uh, conducted into the coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system. So this is the equation. So kx dose by t by dou x square plus ky dose by t by dou x square. Okay. So this is the with respect to dx, with respect to dy, with respect to dz. Okay. So here we will see the with respect to dr, with respect to r d theta, with respect to r sin theta d phi. Okay. So these surfaces you have to construct. So it means so like dx you have to construct dr, like dy you construct the will construct d theta. So like dz will construct the r uh, sine theta d pi. So this shows the rate of heat transfer with respect to r. So second one, this shows the rate of heat transfer with respect to uh, d theta. So this shows the rate of heat transfer with respect to pi, q pi. Okay. So like qx, like qy, like qz. So by comparing the first equation, so we can solve easily this one. So remember that one. So my so okay. So first of all, you will see the q pi. So rate of heat transfer with respect to pi. So this is the just like with respect to this surface r sine theta d pi, like like dx. Okay. So we'll see first of all. So we know that according to first equation, so qx is equal to minus kf dt by dx, or dou t by dou x. Similarly, q pi. So q pi. So in next place, we will take the pi. Okay. Then area is equal to. So there are three surfaces. One is the dr, another one is the r d theta. So r d theta. So next one is the okay dr. So r d theta, r sin theta, d pi. Okay. R d theta, r sin theta, d pi. Okay. So with respect to these surfaces, you have to consider. First of all, we are taking this surface with respect to this surface. Okay. So then q pi equal to k into. So just like here, we are taking the uniform thermal conductivity. Okay, minus k into. So uh, we are taking with respect to this means you have to take the remaining two parameters for the area. So similarly, so this one here area is equal to dy into dz. Similarly, here area is equal to just like so take the another two parameters dr into rt theta, just like k into area is equal to dr into rt theta into dou t by dou x. It means x means this surface. So with respect to this one and r sin theta d pi into dou top d top. Okay. So that is the just like q entering. So rate of heat entering into the surface r sin theta d pi. So that is the value. Uh, so next net heat. Just this is the net heat leaving from the surface. What surface? R sin theta d pi surface. Okay. So that is the q pi plus d pi is equal to q pi plus dou by dou dou x means dou by uh, here. So dx is equal to r sin theta d pi. Okay. So of so q pi into dx. So just like you know that formula. So according to the first equation, q x plus dx is equal to and qx plus dou by dou x into qx into dx. In the similar way, so dx into dx. Okay, in the similar way, just like qx means q pi. So pi with respect to x means this is the surface is equal to r sin theta d pi. So it shows the so dx. Okay, in the similar way how to write it. So q pi. So here just like net heat entering into the element, net heat entering into the elements. That is the So q pi minus q pi plus d pi. So that is the equation like this. Q net in pi is equal to minus dou by r sin theta d pi. Okay. So three parameters. So last parameter, how to construct this one. So into, so q pi into r sin theta d pi. So you have to substitute the value of q pi. So what is the value of q pi? So this is the value of q pi. Okay. Then you have to derive with respect to, so uh, this total term. Okay. So we'll see next slip, next slide. So q net with respect to pi is equal to minus dou by, so r sin theta d pi into qx r sin theta d pi. So substitute the value of q pi here. So here just I am substituting this one. Okay. So this is the, so minus dou by r sin theta d pi. So here just like with respect to d pi. Okay. Derivative with respect to d pi. Okay. So with respect to d pi means we have to take the common terms. Here with respect to d pi, dr is the constant, d theta also constant, k also constant. So take this term out. So minus and minus plus k into, so dr we can take common. So r d theta also we can take common. Here, so out of the bracket there is r sin theta d pi. So also we can take common here. So this shows the complete volume dr into r d theta into r sin theta d pi into d tau. D tau also constant with respect to d pi. So remaining, so dou into dou t. So dou square t by, so this complete term. So that is the just like dx square. It means so r square sin square theta into d pi. So that is the equation one. Okay. So similarly, so q theta is the rate of heat entering in r d theta. Okay. So q pi completed. Now we will see the with respect to r d theta. R d theta we will see. So that is the that rate of heat entering that we will see. Will show that q theta. Okay. So q theta is equal to, so similarly just like qx, just uh, qx, q theta is equal to minus ka. So what is the area? So except this surface, we can take the remaining parameters. What are the parameters? So dr one parameter, r d theta, r sin theta into d pi. So these parameters. So we are taking with respect to r d theta. So no need to consider this one. You have to take both. So dr into r sin theta, r sin theta d pi. Okay. That is the area. Okay. Into dou t by, so r d theta. So with respect to this surface, just like dy. So r d theta into d tau. Okay. So similar manner next to, uh, so next to, so this is the same value uh, written here. So next to q net. Q net. So q net is equal to, that is the q net is equal to just like qx minus qx plus dx. So I am writing directly here. Okay. So because dou by r d theta into, so this is the qx. So here qx I am substituting the direct value qx value. So not qx, that is the this is the q theta value. So q theta will into r d theta. Okay. Here with respect to, so derivative with respect to theta. So derivative with respect to theta. So uh, uh, remaining terms you can uh, take out of the brackets. So that is the k, it is a constant with respect to theta. So dr also constant, r d theta. So here it will goes to the under derivative portion, and just like d pi also constant, and d tau also constant. Here it is out of brackets, so not applicable to derivative. So here r d theta, so we can take common. So k into, so minus and minus plus k into here dr. So here you can write dr. So next to r, so you can write r. Here sin theta comes into under derivative portion, so d pi. So here also you can d pi. So next, okay. So into d tau, into one more step is here dou by dou r, actually dou by r d theta into sin theta by dou t. So but here just like for this one, uh, so dr r d theta, r d theta. So here r d pi. So we require here just like for the complete volume, for the complete volume. So we require just like r sin theta. Okay. So r sin theta. So just just like take r sin theta by r sin theta, multiply with uh, r sin theta and by r sin theta. Then so this value is like this, dr into r d theta. So plus r sin theta d pi here. So here in denomination portion also r square sin theta. Okay. So so we have to take the r sin theta numerator part and denominator part. So one portion, the numerator part comes here, denominator part comes here. So here dou by r square into sin theta into d theta. Okay. So into sin theta dou t by dou theta. So here this is the equation 2. Okay. So next, with respect to r, so now qr. Okay. So we know that parameters, one is the dr, another one is the r d theta, and last one is the r sin theta d pi. Okay. So with respect to this one, this is the q pi computed. With respect to theta, so q theta computed. So next with respect to r, that is the qr. So we are solving the qr. Okay. So qr is equal to minus ka. So in this area, just to neglect this one, you have to take this one. So r d theta into r sin theta d pi. So that is the area. So this is the area into dou t by dou r into d tau. So dr into d tau. So next to q net. Q net means you know that formula, that is the, so q net is equal to q r minus q r plus dr. Okay, dr. So this is the dr. Okay. So if you solve this one, you will get this one. Q net with respect to r is equal to, so just like here, q net with respect to r is equal to minus dou by dou r into, so minus bracket of, so place of q. So this is the qr place, complete qr value. So substitute that qr in this one, right, into d tau. So into dr. So next to minus k into r d theta into r sin theta d pi. So this value dou t by dou r into dou tau. Okay. So in this value, we have to derive with respect to r. So r parameter, this r and this r also comes into under the derivative part. Okay. So here under the derivative. So remaining terms comes out. So okay. So here k into so next to d theta is left. So right here. Next to sin theta, sorry. So sin theta d pi. So r comes into under derivation part. So sin theta d pi into dr also is there. Out of bracket comes into here. Next. So for the volume, complete volume. So here r required. Here also r required. because this is the r d theta, here r sin theta d pi into dr. Okay. Further to just like take multiply this one r square by r square. So one r square comes here, just like another r square, r one r comes here, another r comes here. Okay, so it becomes like a complete volume. Okay, so in this way, just like volume is common term in three terms. Okay, so how to derive this formula like that one. So then the formula is like this one. Then q net, q net you have to so add the all the values. It means q net is equal to q net with respect to pi, q net with respect to theta, q net with respect to r. Just like okay, q net is equal to first one q net with respect to pi. So like q pi plus q theta plus q r. Okay, so add all the terms k into volume into d tau into dou square t by r square into sin square theta into dou pi square. So common term here also, common volume this term, so common volume. So in both, in three cases we see the common volume, so can take the volume under k and dou tau also common term. So then q net is equal to, so this is the k into volume into d tau. So this is the common value. Then remaining, this is the value. Okay. This is the q net. Okay. So next, you know that formula, that is the according to the general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinate system. This is the, so small q into volume, small q into volume. So that is volume is equal to dr into r d theta into r sin theta d pi. So that is the generating heat. So this is the increase in internal energy. So that is the rho Cp into volume, volume into d tau into d dou, dou t by dou small t. So this is the complete equation. Okay. So we can write like this one, because here also volume is common. So here also volume is common. Okay. So then if you take the volume common, if you cancel that one, the equation will be like this one. Okay. So q by k so is equal to rho Cp by k into dou t by dou small t. So this is the just like final general heat conduction equation in the Cartesian, in the spheres or spherical coordinates. So this is the final equation. Okay. So this is the three-dimensional equation. If you take one dimension, you can take this one or this one or this one. Okay. So this is the equation. Okay. Thank you for watching this class. So we'll see in next class the rate of heat transfer in slabs, rate of heat transfer in cylinders, and rate of heat transfer in spherical. We'll see in next class. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.